Welcome to All About Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volvo XC90, a premium SUV that perfectly blends luxury, safety, and cutting-edge technology. The XC90 has always been a standout in Volvo's lineup, and the 2025 model takes things even further with a refined design, a more efficient powertrain, and a host of new features that cater to both families and enthusiasts. If you're looking for a vehicle that's as comfortable on a long road trip as it is cruising through city streets, the XC90 is a top-tier choice. The exterior design of the 2025 XC90 continues to reflect Volvo's signature Scandinavian minimalism. It features a bold front fascia with an updated grille design, sleek Thor's hammer LED headlights, and clean, sculpted lines that give the SUV a sophisticated and athletic stance. New wheel designs and refined color options add to its upscale presence, while the aerodynamic shape helps improve fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. Every detail is crafted with purpose, from the flush door handles to the subtle chrome accents. Inside, the 2025 XC90 offers a sanctuary of comfort and modern luxury. High-quality materials such as Nappa leather, real wood trim, and brushed metal finishes give the cabin an elegant feel. The layout is thoughtfully designed, with a new 15-inch vertical touchscreen running Volvo's latest infotainment system powered by Google. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates ensure you're always connected and up-to-date. The panoramic sunroof, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced climate control enhance the premium experience. Under the hood, the XC90 offers a range of powertrains, including a mild hybrid and a plug-in hybrid variant, delivering both performance and efficiency. The plug-in hybrid, branded as Recharge, provides strong acceleration and the ability to drive on electric power alone for short commutes. Paired with Volvo's smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the XC90 is both powerful and composed on the road. It handles confidently in all weather conditions, offering a balance of smooth ride quality and precise steering. Safety continues to be a cornerstone of the Volvo brand, and the 2025 XC90 is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. Features include pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, and a new 360-degree camera system. Volvo's latest safety innovations not only help prevent accidents but also assist in reducing driver fatigue during long journeys. The XC90 is designed to protect its occupants and make every drive more secure and stress-free. With its striking design, premium interior, hybrid technology, and industry-leading safety, the 2025 Volvo XC90 is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a forward-thinking vehicle made for modern lifestyles. Whether you're hauling the family or heading out on a solo adventure, the XC90 delivers comfort, style, and confidence with every mile. Volvo's vision for the future is clear, and the XC90 is leading the way.